Guys, me promise from Packs of Apps is today going to show you how to use shareit. I know this video is becoming late because every time this is school and other things. So let's start with the video, and I have already shared you the topic. Now let's go to the app. Can you see in the middle of the top line? Let's go there, man. See, shareit has been opened. Where I am. Eh, Now see, you can see there is return local send receive, and the send receive means to send others some files, or to receive means some other will send files and you can receive here and install in your mobile phones. And can you see in the top corner line at the right side there is like a something brinjal. It means your anything. If I do login, then I should log in with Facebook account anything, but I will do later because what happened, and because I don't want to make this video longer. And this story means the things, all things that you have watched before, and this all settings, everything, location, confirm connection, and the things, and prefer same Wi-Fi mode. You can change the setting of shareit by ear and these other things according to the language, and other preference check, version, rate, help and feedback. About these all boring things are here. I don't want to explain to you because nothing. And clean it, these are the other apps from shareit related. From clean it, I think you know, we have to download it, but you can download and you can clean the junk of your mobile phone. And locate listen needs other for any special purpose it is being used. And this liked means now I am offline because that Facebook, Instagram, other things, that message will come and disturb the video, so I have done Wi-Fi off. So for that we should on the Wi-Fi and do it. So now I cannot show you which video I have liked. Now let's go to another topic. The sound download center means the video that we have downloaded from the shareit, and you can download these videos from shareit by ear. This example, this is a video of giant match escape test. Can you look, guys? And after this, now see there, you look the 1 million views right written there down the topic, and there is love, and that what is that, phone calling or WhatsApp one, and there is written that there is a shape of download. If you touch there, it will give one tick, then it is sure that it is being downloaded. And if you want to check, then you can go here and check it. See, it has been downloaded. And other videos same like that. Most of them were funny. And this local means what to say. And see, totals 25%. This much GB available, and I want to clean some cache data. 583 MB. Many things are here. Other many things means the in local you can see the things which you have received from other mobile, or the things that you have sent to other mobiles phone. Now in that search shareit, you can search anything online, local, and from these four works, share with chaos, connect PC, group share. Till I have not done the group share, so in other video I will discuss about this group share. And connect PC means the laptop, desktop, anything you can connect to it, and this means some company. In invite, for this also we need internet which is ruling the world, and for that we should connect the internet Wi-Fi. But I will not do because other things will come tang 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 and disturb me. And from the games mode you can go and play games, or also you can download it by this. There is a robot things. What kind of app? Oh, this nothing is there like this, but it is a very useful app for us. Oh, I will show you by playing one game. I can show you this. See guys, it's me and collect this. I don't know what is chasing me and I'm running, but I'll show you by playing it. It's telling me to jump. How to jump? So hard. No, it's still in danger. Oh, what this? A bear like panda is chasing me, but I'm a pro. Okay, I think the video has been very much longer, so I will destroy myself. Oh, this much for today guys. Now see you in next video. Bye bye.